If you've accidentally deleted messages on DoorDash, there are a few steps you can take to try to recover them. Follow these steps to see if you can retrieve your lost messages. Step 1. Check the app notifications. Open the DoorDash app and look for any notifications related to your messages. Sometimes, notifications can provide a summary of the messages that were deleted. Step 2. Review email correspondence. Check your email associated with your DoorDash account. DoorDash may send email confirmations or updates regarding your orders, which could contain information from the messages you deleted. Step 3. Contact DoorDash support. Reach out to DoorDash customer support through the app or their website. Explain your situation and ask if they can assist you in recovering the deleted messages. Step 4. Check for backups. If you regularly back up your device, check your backup settings. Depending on your device, you may be able to restore a previous version of the app that includes the deleted messages. Step 5. Monitor future messages. Keep an eye on future messages and notifications from DoorDash. To prevent losing important information again, consider taking screenshots or saving important messages in a separate note. By following these steps, you may be able to recover your deleted messages or at least find alternative ways to access the information you need.